Funny
Bird stories.
Cute bird family. Chirp, 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 the morning starts. Little birds with happy hearts. Sun comes up, the sky is blue. Wake up, friends, they call to you. Flap, 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 wings so wide. Through the clouds they love to glide. Up so high, then swoop down low. Watch the pretty birdies go. On the branches hop and play, singing songs the whole long day. Pecking seeds and sharing too. Food is best when shared with you. Tweet, 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 a lovely tune. Morning, evening, night and noon. Every bird joins in the song. Happy voices loud and strong. Red and yellow, green and blue. Feathers shining bright and new. Like a rainbow in the sky. See the birds go flying by. In the nest so warm and tight, baby birds chirp with delight. Feed us, hear them say. Mama bird brings food their way. One small bird fell from a tree. Others came so lovingly. Don't you worry, we are near. Kindness makes the world so dear. Sun goes down, the sky turns gray. Birds fly home to end the day. Close their eyes and softly sleep, dreaming dreams so calm and deep. The parrot. Meet Piku in a jungle bright and green. Lived Piku the parrot keen. Feathers shining red and blue. Talking words like hello you. Tasty treat, on a branch he hopped all day. Looking for fruits on his way. Apple, mango, guava sweet. Every bite a yummy treat. Talking fun, good morning, Piku would say. Chattering words in a funny way. Copying sounds he heard around. Making laughter all around. Flying free, flap, flap, up in the sky. With his friends he'd fly so high. Green leaves dancing in the air. Happy moments everywhere. The eagle. High in the sky so wide and blue. An eagle soared with a stunning view. Wings spread big, eyes sharp and bright. Gliding softly in golden light. Far below a river flowed. Shiny fish in water glowed. Eagle watched from up so high. Focused gaze from the sky. Whoosh! It dived so fast and neat. Wind rushed past its wings and feet. Splash! It reached with talons strong. Caught a fish before too long. Up it flew with mighty grace. Fish held tight in its embrace. Back to sky so proud and free. King of air for all to see. Strong and patient, sharp and wise. Eagle teaches, aim for skies. Watch your chance and do your best. Hard work helps you pass the test. The kingfisher. Meet kingfisher by the river, shining bright. Lived kingfisher, blue and light. Orange tummy, wings so small. Prettiest little bird of all. Building a nest near the river, safe and deep. Kingfisher made a nest to keep. Twig by twig and leaf by leaf, working hard without relief. Soft dry grass and feathers too, made a cozy home so new. Little babies soon will stay warm and safe throughout the day. nectar sweet, tiny drops, a yummy treat. Dip, 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 the little beak from pink flowers by the creek. Buzzing bees flew all around, happy songs became the sound. Catching food splash, he dived into the stream. Silverfish began to gleam. Quick and smart, he caught one tight, then flew back in morning light. Lesson: build with care and do your best. Hard work makes a happy nest. Share with nature, sing and play. Smile and shine through every day. Jump, peacock! Waiting for rain in the forest, warm and dry. Peacock looked up at the sky. Clouds were hiding far away. Will it rain for me today? Wind and clouds, cool wind started blowing light. Dark clouds gathered big and bright. Peacock smiled with cushy cheer. Rainy magic time is near. First, raindrops, tip tip drops began to fall. Soft and gentle, one and all. Peacock opened feathers wide. Dancing joy